more space in the canvas. Let's see how to do that. For example, I'll take some Excel or any other data source. Let's define some sample report. I'll take a sheet and load. I'll take a sheet and load the data. Let's see. Yep. Here, for example, I'll take a tree map visual. See, the canvas is fixed to a particular size, right? Dotted size, like this. Country wise, for example, sales. Okay, and let's take a table. So by default, you see it is like fit width. Okay, so it is fixed to a specific width for the canvas. And for example, I'll try to include one more tree map or funnel or any visual. Okay, it's like this, month-wise product. Click anywhere outside. Let's add country-wise profit. And one more, for example, month-wise profit, like this. Now, what if you wanted to add, say, more space? Say you would like to have some kind of drop down or scroll bar. Right side, you would like to have scroll bar here for the visual. Whenever I include something like matrix, it comes like this. See, it's overlapping, right? I click on any visual, it's simply overlaps to existing visualization. Now, what if you wanted to have more space in the canvas? Go to view, page view, fit to page is there, right? Here, there are some option called fit to width. And also there is something called actual size. Once you give actual size, see, you get like this. Okay, what is it? Actual size. Okay, next. So once you have the actual size, then what else? Here it is. You see the scroll bar right side, top to bottom, and also left to right. Whenever you add a stack bar like this, it will be added here, right? In this way. And again, you are able to add it within the border like this. Within the border, I mean, we cannot increase the border. Border will not increase further. See, border will not increase further. Go to format your report page. Canvas setting. Here it says 16:9. Custom. We can increase the height of the canvas and also width of the canvas. For example, I would like to make it 1000 pixels. See, now you can drag and drop, okay, the required visual wherever you want. I repeat again, solution is simply go to page setting, give custom page, whatever page you want. I repeat, click anywhere outside, go to page information, and here canvas setting custom height, and same way we can give width also. So this is how you can have the canvas to scroll down, up and down, or right, left and right. Just in case if you wanted to, you can make use of this feature. In my Power BI classes, I'll be teaching you step by step, complete Power BI ecosystem, no stone unturned. Power BI is a vast technology and we have a lot to learn step by step to get ready for our job activities. Stay tuned to my social media accounts. Any clarifications or questions or any kind of support activities, you can always contact us. We'll be at your reach 24/7. Thank you so much. And I will be the trainer for Microsoft technologies. For non-Microsoft technologies, we have a small pool of 11 different other trainers who are well educated, well experienced, down to earth to touch the bottom of the technology and guide you properly step by step with complete notes, daily assignments, use case scenarios, projects, and more for your resume, your upskill activities. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you there in the next video.